Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can delete archived emails on Gmail. So first of all, we need to access archived mails, and the easiest way to do so is by typing in :archive in the search bar at the top. Let's press enter. Now we will see only archived mails. In order to remove a mail, we have several options. If we want to delete just one mail message that is archived, we can enter the message and click on this delete icon here. We can also hover over the message, and on the right side we'll find the same icon, or we can select the box and find the same icon over here. By doing so, we can also select multiple archived messages, and we can remove several messages at once. If we want to, we can also remove every archived message by clicking this box over here at the top. So let's select, and then once again choose the delete icon here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.